Hey, good morning, guys. I don't see much to do. I'm just gonna chill. Yeah, I saw that gold finally. It had a couple of false breakouts. Every time it fell back, built a higher low. It's in a big flag. You look at the monthly, it kind of reminds you of this like late 2007 or late 2009 on the monthly. Very similar flags. But the instrument GLD is very slow. I would never trade. Man, I'm really hoping we get that another leg down. I'm just praying for another 10-15%. That would be so good. Would be very healthy for the markets. Let's join our hands and pray together. Hey guys, let's sacrifice David. Let's sacrifice David to the market gods so we can get our move. What do you guys think about that? Even Satan wouldn't want him? Damn, we're stuck with David. Yeah, D-Dog did deflate. That's the problem. We're in a whack-a-mole market. It's finding support on a 100-day. So that's good. But yeah, it's a whack-a-mole market. You don't get much follow-through. We got the bounce, 2 weeks ago? We got a lot of follow-through from those, but other than that, it's the big money isn't here right now. The big moves are not here. And I'm looking for the big moves. I'm not looking for, scalps. I don't care. So now, even if we rally from here, we rally into these declining moving averages, right? That's the problem. It's a whack-a-mole. We could have a few day rally and then what? Yeah, Brazil has had a pretty nice rally this year so far. Pretty decent rally. But yeah, you shouldn't look at what I do. You have small accounts. You should kind of look for shorter term opportunities, shorter term swing trading opportunities. Yeah, I agree. Most people shouldn't do anything in this market. I think it's better to wait for the moving average crossovers when the 10 crosses over the 20 and stays there, and then both, eventually start trending higher. That's, the better bet for most of you. That's where you're gonna get setups and follow through and stuff like that. This is just chop. You're not gonna learn much here. The only thing you're gonna learn is, oh, I shouldn't have traded. Which is good too. Well, AlphaMind actually wrote to me like a couple of weeks ago. Or a month ago. I actually haven't answered him yet. I just don't feel like doing a podcast right now. I'm taking it chill. Backed, yeah. It's building a little bit of a flag here. Right at the 50, you see this? Right at below the 50. Kind of looks like magic. It's almost like there's something there at the red line. Finance ETFs are, or some of them are pretty resilient. Math. You just have to look at it the past few years. Is this a trading stock? It's not a trading stock. Look how mean reverting it is. So pretty much no clean trends, It's not something I would ever trade. I would rather give money to David than trade a stock like this. It's just all over the place. Chop, 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 chop. Coins bouncing QR code. What's Super Bowl? I ate a big bowl of muesli before the stream. Is that a Super Bowl? Or what's the qualification for a Super Bowl? Also, there's gonna be a lot of earnings this week. But they're all in this big downtrends. SPY's going lower. Qs are weak too. Kind of funny how Tesla is Tesla has been showing relative weakness, including Friday, for weeks now, and today suddenly it's showing relative strength. Come on. Yeah, there's a lot of potential bear flags there. Yeah, it's true. Look how it's getting rejected off the 20. Another one, maybe Square, Shopify, Arc, potential bear flag type of thing. It's hard to know until they actually break. I just don't see a lot of bullish setups right now. AFRM 2, look at where it got rejected on the declining 20. Went down 45% in 2 sessions. That's insane. Where there are external exceptional variables as the war, is wise to stick to the graphs. Well, I don't know if you've reflected on it, but everything is what did you say? External, exceptional variables? Surely something. This is why it's so important to see how the market reacts. What's holding up, what's setting up, right? Have to listen to what the market wants to tell you. Right now, market is uncertain. So we are uncertain. Yeah, trade war. The fiscal cliff, was it 2012? Media was talking about it like 25 times per day for, I don't know, 5 months straight. It was supposed to be the end of the world. Or the Greece debt crisis in also in 2011. It's always something. Your job is to listen to what the market tells you, not to listen to what media worries about, or what media tells you to worry about. Yeah, or the mortgage crisis in 2008. There's people who still haven't gotten over the 2008 stuff. Twitter is full of those people. There's always a new crash around the corner. Well, they are correct. The problem is they haven't made any money for the past 15 years. Your job is to make money. That's your only job here. So now we are bouncing a little bit. Let's see if the bounce starts failing mid-late day. Or if it starts failing tomorrow. Or if this was in fact a higher low. It could have been a higher low too. Alright guys, I'm gonna cut the stream now. Thanks for joining. See you tomorrow.